Week 3, we have Javion Tyndale. Congrats on the win. You had a 30-point game. Coming down the stretch, you guys were down by 8 to 10 points, especially coming out the half. What did your coach say to you guys in the huddle going into the second half?
Just stay together, get back on defense, play hard. You know, no matter what the score is, still play hard and try and get the win.
What are your thoughts going into week 4? I know this is the first win of the summer league, so obviously this is a big win for you guys heading into the finals. What are you guys looking forward to?
Trying to get the championship, just staying together, having fun. Yeah.
So how would you grade this competition level? Of course, everyone's coming from different calibers of play. Some people might be, first, second year in college, second or third year overseas. Everyone's coming from a different pedigree. So what would you rank the competition level playing here?
Honestly, it's like a 6-7. It's like 6-7.
Okay. And how do you feel continuing playing in this league develops you as a player?
Just playing against older, bigger people. Definitely my reads have to be faster, keeping the ball tight and going through physicality and just making smarter decisions.
And how would you describe your team chemistry? Of course, as I said before, this is a big win for you guys heading into week 4. So what are you looking for from your teammates and as well as yourself?
Just talking on the floor. I got to be a leader. I'm the point guard, so I got to be a leader, talking to my teammates, letting them know the sets, and yeah.
All right, well, thank you for your time and congrats on your win.
Thank you.